playing MM2 right now. So I spotted this hacker, one hacker that is playing. Remember, remember, remember the bacon hair. Where's the? Right there! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No! What the fudge? No! Renov! I didn't know that. Wait, is the round started? It's not. Who's the sheriff? Shoot him. There's the hacker. See, look at the hacker. That one, that one, that one. Last time she was hacking, and to prove you guys, earlier when I was playing this game, I saw this. But good aim, good aim, good aim, good aim, good aim, good aim. Wow, a good aim, ma'am. Good aim. Why or why they always hacked? Wait, who are these? Is there? Wait. Are they live streaming? Is Mongolia girl and not? I hope so. If they're live, I don't know what got into me. Wow, I got the innocent again. Please the gun. Please the gun. Drop the gun, please. Please. I will just. No! Bro! What? He's just gonna shoot me if I stay still. He's just an innocent little guy. What's the word? That guy. Oh my God. Wait, I seriously don't know who's the murderer right now. Bro, who killed all these innocent peoples? You the sheriff, ma'am? I hope that is the sheriff. He has the gun. The sheriff, really, ma'am? Yeah, if I found out you're lying to me, I'm gonna beat your ass. Don't look at me like that. Hello, ma'am, you're stuck? You don't know how to play? Just move with your mobile. Move. Wow, it's just finished already. Wow. It's just already finished. What's a voice chat, but I don't know what is their language. I don't know why are they talking like that. Someone's lagging. Am I lagging or they're lagging? Please, Mer. No. Ah, dun, 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 dun. I wish next round I will get a bird. Wow! Very cool. It's just only 5 survival XP. Oh my gosh. Wow, you're pretty happy with. Wait, who's this lagging? Is that you lagging? Oh my gosh, girl, you're lagging! Oh my gosh, girl, you're lagging. Let me help you. Let me help you. I hope you what? Gosh, it's finally free from this evil times. Thank you, my evil villain. Smoking. Oh my god! Serious hacker, bro! Are you serious? Someone's hacking! Wait! Someone's hacking in this game, bro. You gotta report. You gotta report the person, bro. Don't let the person who's hacking you suddenly do something. I don't know why. Why is it doing to me right now? It's always doing to me. Let me screenshot the girl. Let me screenshot the girl. Wait. This girl. I saw the avatar. There's. Go back to the thing and slow it down. Slow it down. Look at the avatar. Let me know in the comments if that girl or the bacon girl is the hacking guy or a hacking girl. I don't know. That's a boy actually. That's a boy. Please don't shooting me. If you shoot me again, persons trying to shoot me at one and another is trying to shoot me. Why is it so annoying if you play on mouse and keyboard? It's finished. Wait, the person got flamed. Wait, let me tell my telekinesis. I think the bacon. Okay, let me screenshot the bacon. Not bacon. Look right there. Zoom in. Right there. You can see the bacon just eating ice cream and stuff. This bacon. Look, this bacon, and there's one too. Look. That one too. Oh my gosh. How many hackers are in this game? How many hackers are in this game? Nicholas, can you just ban all of these people for from a feature? Because someone's hacking this game and their names are really always annoying people like that. Always know that, right? People just say, I hope I could wish Nicholas I don't know. I could just ban him. Okay, who's the nerd? It was this guy. Hello, this guy. By the way, why? See, this It's a hacker too. One hacker. This is a hacker too. Let me prove it to you that there's three hackers and one teaming. I mean two teamers. Two teamers are freaking annoying and they're toxic. Look at this. Look at this person with my cursor. Look. This one. This girl. That vacant girl avatar. I'll screenshot it and put it on the thing and I will make it a thumbnail. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm kidding. Please no. Please don't. Wait, what is my where's it where's my dirt? Where's that bro? Trying to shoot me is not effective. Hit the final excuse me. Okay. Okay, you didn't see that. Someone's hacking. Look. Look at this person. Just chilling and killing persons. Another in a hacker. He's just standing there and waiting for the person who's gonna kill. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sir, sir, do what you want. Okay, don't crush all of the stuff that I do. Okay, don't search my histories. Oh my gosh, you're hacking too, ma'am. Ma'am, I think you gotta leave because you're a hacker too. You know that? Huh? You freaking liars and shit. He's like, yay! The person like then it's over. Okay, let me take a screenshot of that boy. Every time, every time I picture someone, you just scream out loud. Eh, Am I just not good? Can I take a picture? See, if you're in the Philippines, please get out. I'm not. Those minis are so annoying. Like really annoying. Why am I going to walls? This keyboard is freaking dumb. Why am I the first one to be killed? Look at this girl. This girl doesn't respect any childrens. Those childrens always fight about it because it. Okay, I just take a screenshot. Let me edit it for a few seconds. Just edit it in a few seconds, bro. Wait, let me just edit it, okay? Let me just edit. Let me just crop it, okay? Let me just edit, okay? I will go back once I finish this. Just wait. If you're watching this, just wait. Okay. I leave. Okay, I joined back.
And please don't put me again in the lobby. Please? Please, please, please. Oh my gosh. Now I'm back in the plain lobby. Don't mind me eating.
I'm gonna edit it, guys. See ya. And I'm gonna edit soon.